Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can extract the hashes of our SAM file using a very good tool in Kaya Unix. So this tool is pre-installed inside Kaya Unix, so we don't need to install it from anywhere. So let's see. As you can see, I have the SAM file and I have the system file. So it's up to you how you are going to transfer your SAM file from your Windows to the Kage Unix. You can upload it on cloud, or you can send it through email, or you can upload it anywhere and you can download from there. So it's up to you how you are going to transfer these files, because these files will be inside your system, inside your Windows operating system, and you have to transfer these files inside your Kage Unix in order to crack this. So it's up to you how you crack it. So how you transfer it, not crack it, how you are going to transfer it from your Windows to Kali. So let's see. The tool which I am going to use is samdump2. Press enter, dump. So this is the tool, and the command is very simple. So as you can see, it retrieves syskey, system key, and extract hashes from Windows 2K, NT, XP, Vista, and Windows 10, everything. So let me type the command samdump2, then system, and then SAM. Press enter, and here you can see this is the hashes of the SAM file. So these are the passwords. So as you can see, this is the username, and this is the user ID, and this is the LM, and this is the NTLM. So what is LM and NTLM? So let me tell you that also. So LM stands for LAN Manager, NTLM stands for New Technology LAN Manager. So LM is a hash function which is used in Microsoft. So in the previous version of Microsoft, Microsoft was using LM hashing function to encrypt the password of user, and after that they start using NTLM, which is New Technology LAN Manager. And the current version of Windows operating system, if you have SAM file, then the SAM file is encrypted, or the password is encrypted using NTLM version 2. So the modern computers and operating systems, we use NTLM version 2. So the format, how the password is stored here, is in the form of LM and then NTLM. So this one is LM, LAN manager, and this was is and NTLM, so New Technology LAN Manager. So we got the hashes. What we can do, we can just copy it, open nano, paste it, control O, hashes dot txt, enter. So now we got the hashes. So if I do cat hashes dot txt, you can see these are the hashes. So now we save this inside a file, so inside this hashes file. So that is it for this video. This is how we are going to extract the SAM database.